Is your WordPress website struggling to send emails? Are they getting stuck on spam box or not sending at all? This is a common problem in WordPress. In this video, I will help you how to fix this. I am Ali Hossain with a decade of experience in this field. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Don't blame your web host for email delivery problems. The problem often lies in WordPress mail server configuration. Gmail and other email providers use spam filter to protect inboxes. If your WordPress mail server isn't configured correctly, your email might be flagged as spam or not delivered at all. To fix this issue, we will set up SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Let's get started in WordPress. As you can see, I logged in my WordPress website. Our first step is to install a SMTP plugin in WordPress. To do this, go to plugin and then add new plugin. Search for SMTP and hit enter. Install the plugin named WP Mail SMTP by WP Forms. I will click install now. By integrating your WordPress site with your SMTP server using this plugin, you can ensure that emails are sent reliably and effectively. Then hit active. You can see this is the plugin. I will click settings. As you can see, we need a business email account. Now I will create a business email account though web host. For this website, I am using Hostinger, and if you are a Hostinger user, you can use my promo code. Check the video description. Here you will get a link. Just click here and click claim deal. They offer 3 plans, all with free email. So choose as far as you need. For your business, you can click choose plan. So you can select 1 month, 12 month, 24 month or 48 month. The promo code will work with any time frame. So choose any. I will choose 24 and then scroll down a bit. You can see your discount is 71%. If you do enter my promo code, then you will save the largest amount or maximum possible. I will enter here ProCoder BD and hit apply. You can see right now your promo code is 74%. Amazing, right? You will get all details about Hostinger in the video description. Create your account, choose the plan, and let's meet in Hostinger dashboard. I will click email. You can see you can set up your free email. I will click setup. Here the domain name is lazycoderbd.com. I will confirm. Hit select. You can see here is your domain name. Here is your domain name. Just input here your username. I just added here admin. Now you need to input here your password. I added my password. Click create. So your email is ready. You can skip this prompt and I will click email accounts. Now you can click your webmail, write your password, click login. You can say I am in my inbox. Go to your dashboard, click manage. Then click connect apps and devices, and here you can see you have a incoming server, outgoing server, and also incoming server, pop server. We need outgoing and also ingoing configuration, but for now for WordPress site we just need to configure our outgoing server. So I will click copy and then I will back to my WordPress dashboard, and here you have to write your email address. So our email address was admin@lazycoder.com, right? And here you can write your name. So I can write here my name, Ali Hossain. Fine. And here I will select other SMTP. Scroll down a bit. Here I will copy this once more and I will come here. I will paste it here. SMTP port, you can see 465. So I will write here 465. Fine. And here SMTP username, my email address. So I will copy the email address from here once more. I will paste it. It's time to write my password. Okay. Then hit save change. Okay. So your settings are saved successfully. I will click tools and now I will type here my email address once more. Click send mail. I want to test it. Success. So now I am in my inbox, and if I now check, you can see congratulations, test mail was sent successfully. So everything works fine, and I hope now this video is helpful for you. If you think this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any question, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. What do you think about this video? Let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and stay safe. I am Ali Hossain signing out.